Nature is God's silent classroom. Every flower teaches us to bloom, reduce stress, improve mood, increase focus. In other words, nature heals all of us in many silent ways. My dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel KRG Vision. In my previous video, I shared with you how I met a Sanyasi on the bank of river Ganga in Rishikesh and what powerful lessons he taught me. Out of that, today I want to share with you the lesson he taught me about self-belief. Let me continue that beautiful experience and share this profound lesson he taught me. The Sanyasi told me, nature is God's silent classroom. Nature is God's silent classroom. What a beautiful statement. Friends, today people are surrounded by not nature, noise, traffic, stress, notification, and endless mobile scrolling. Is it not? Sometimes people know more about social media updates than about the sunrise outside or their own house. But nature quietly teaches all of us many things. Every sunrise teaches hope. Similarly, every river teaches movement. Every mountain teaches stability. Every flower teaches us to bloom, spread the beauty and splendor without making any noise. Therefore, my dear friends, nature never shouts. Yet, it teaches deeply. Trees give shade silently. Rivers flow continuously. Birds sing without charging any ticket fees, isn't it? Birds sing. Our people, if you want to go to music academy, a great personality has come for singing. You have to purchase tickets, isn't it? But in nature, birds sing without charging ticket fees. Nature gives without advertising also. Why nature is so important? Today, modern science also confirms what our ancient sages already knew. Spending time in nature reduce stress, improve mood, increase focus, and calm your mind. My dear friend, many people today are mentally tired, not because of hard work, but because the mind never gets rest. Even during sleep, I have noticed some people are still mentally checking what is the WhatsApp message received, what the message I can send. But nature gives rest to the mind. Nature reduces stress. When you walk among trees or sit near a water body, stress levels reduces naturally. It happened to me when I go to my rainwater harvesting projects, surrounded by trees, flowering trees, plants and birds. Similarly, when I go to a calm sea, sit near the seashore. In fact, the stress levels reduce automatically. The body gets relaxed. Breathing becomes calmer. The mind slows down. Remember all this. Friends, therefore, peace is not always found in expensive 5-star hotels. Peace is not found in great resorts. Sometimes it is available free under a tree. I enjoy that. You may laugh, but I enjoy. I'm healthy. Maybe that may be the reason. Nature improves clarity and creativity. Some of the greatest ideas in history came while walking in nature. Why? That time the mind becomes fresh and very clear. When the mind is become quiet, wisdom becomes audible. That's what the great Sanyasi told me. When the mind becomes quiet, wisdom emerges. Nature and physical health. Nature also benefits the body physically. How? We get fresh air, sunlight, walking, and greenery support. Our immunity improves. Heart health improves. The quality of sleep also improves. In other words, and overall well-beings. Another important points I want to highlight here. Sunlight helps to get vitamin D. But today, in this AI world, fast-moving high-tech world, where you are getting sunlight? Starting from the house full of AC, car full of AC, office full of AC, hotel full of AC, and you are sitting always in the AC room, no exposure to nature, no exposure to sunlight. Surya Bhagavan, God, Sun, gives us vitamin D. And now the present generation, people go to hospitals, that to star hospitals, get treatment to improve the vitamin D. Very funny part we are facing. Now let me, if I say something, you may not like it, I don't want to talk something about it, but remember, health is your work. To improve the health is your duty. Health is wealth. So sunlight helps vitamin D. Trees improves air quality. It takes the carbon dioxide, gives us oxygen. Particularly trees like neem trees, peepal trees, even tulasi. It can give bamboo, can give oxygen. In other words, nature heals all of us in many silent ways. I talk about what our great modern people do it. In fact, most of them, present generation youngsters, most of them lost touch with nature. Today, many children know mobile applications beautifully well, video games, Wi-Fi, passwords, but they cannot identify what is the name of the tree. Simple trees also they cannot identify. Some children think milk comes from supermarkets. They do not go mother. They do not, we are getting milk from the cow. We treated cow as our mother. Now children think it come in packet from the supermarket or the person who come from the milk producing companies. Friends, we must reconnect with nature again because we are part and parcel of great nature. You can also enjoy nature. That's what the great saint advised me. Yes, sir, he gave me a few words which I already told you. I want to repeat again. Simple ways to enjoy nature. I already covered in this episode, earlier episode also, but I want to repeat again. Maybe boring for some of you, but it's worth learning again and again. The Sanyasi encouraged me to follow simple habits. Morning walks, sitting under trees, watching the sunrise, listening to the music of birds, and spending quiet time outdoors, not inside the house, outdoors. Even 20 minutes daily in nature can refresh the mind beautifully well. And remember, we should thank nature Nature is not charging an entrance fee for getting you all these facilities. You must thank nature. Nature still does not charge entrance fees in most places. So therefore, bring nature into your daily life. Bring nature into your daily life. If you cannot go to natural mountains, do simple things. Nature, mountains and forests is only on paper now. Many forests and mountains have vanished due to urbanization. I'm not competent to talk about the subject. I don't want to talk much about the subject also. But if you cannot go to forest and mountain, do simple things. At least plant some good native trees like neem, tulasi, and so many other trees are available, native trees are available. Keep plants at home. Even indoor plants you can keep it. Grow small gardens. Walk in nearby park. When a park is nearby, go to the parks. Walk there. Spend your time on terrace with the plants. I do that. You have seen my YouTube also. The first YouTube my dear friends have taken, first YouTube itself. I was standing on the terrace, see the sunrise, and the mango trees, neem trees, etc. are spread over it. Number of tulusis are living on the terrace. Spend time on terrace with the plants. Small connection with the nature creates great, big mental peace. So these are the lessons all of you have to learn. Friends, the Sanyasi taught me that human beings become healthier when they live closer to nature. Modern life has given comfort, but sometimes it has also taken away calmness. It has given comfort and taken away the calmness. Nature restores the balance. You can still get the comfort, get the calmness if you are in alliance with nature. That is what I tell you. Thank you very much, my dear friends. If this message inspired you, do share it with your friends. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel KRG Vision.